Hi guys, welcome back to the tutorial millennial YouTube channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how to do the rainbow light effect on Picsart. So if you want to add some rainbow effect on your maybe selfie photo, I'm going to show you how. I've already opened the Picsart and then click on the plus icon and choose the photo that you want to add the rainbow effect. For example, I want to add into this one, and then you can just go to sticker and then on the search column here click on the keyword rainbow, click on search, and then the random rainbow effect will be show up like this. You can just choose one of them that you think suits your photo the best. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. So just like that, it has been added into your photo, and you can just adjust the position just like that. And then you can just click on blend to add it, to make it more blending into the photo. I'm going to choose the multiply, so just like that. But first I'm going to erase some part of it, just a little, to make it looks more neat. Okay, so just like that, the rainbow light effect has been added into your photo, and click on this to save the photo into your gallery. Okay, so that's it from me. That is how you can add the rainbow light effect into your photo. Pretty easy, right? If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.